Are you putting off Amazon ads because you think you need a massive budget to get yourself in the game? It's a huge myth that you have to risk hundreds or even thousands of pounds to get yourself started. Honestly, starting too big is one of the fastest ways to lose money. But what if I told you that you could dip your toe in for about the price of a daily coffee? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you my strategy for getting started with just £5 a day. Now, let's be clear, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about safely gathering data you need to find out what your winning keywords are so you can confidently scale your sales without that fear of just burning through cash. This is how I de-risk my entire process. Let's get one crucial thing straight. The 5 a day strategy is not designed for instant sales. It has one incredibly important job to do: to buy data, not just sales. So let's be real, many experts and even Amazon will tell you that a truly effective daily budget is closer to £10 to £25 or even more, and they're not wrong. A bigger budget gets you more data faster, but I know for a lot of you starting out there, that kind of money is going to feel huge, a terrifying leap. The fear of wasting it is real, and it often stops people from ever starting at all. That's where I think the strategy comes in. Think of it as the learning wheels for Amazon ads. It's a slow and steady, bare minimum entry point designed for anyone who is extremely risk averse. It's for you. If you want to learn the ropes, prove your product has legs, and even test the waters without getting swept away, we are trading speed for safety. Keep in mind, Amazon's minimum daily budget is often around £10, so a £5 budget is pushing the lower limit and may not be available in all markets. In the UK it is. In the US I've done $5 days as well, so it's definitely there. The whole point of this first phase is to let Amazon's powerful algorithm do the heavy lifting for you. We're going to spend a small controlled amount to find out what real customers are typically going to buy through the search bar. Those search terms are pure gold. Once we have them, we have the foundation for a truly profitable ad strategy. But first, we have to find them without breaking the bank. First of all, we need to go through and we need to set up our campaign. So I'm going to take you through how you could set up your very first campaign, and it's a simple, powerful, automatic campaign which is perfect for beginners because we don't have to guess what keywords we're going to use. We're going to let Amazon figure it out for us. So here's how we do it. Okay, so first of all, we are going to be hopping into our Amazon KDP account. We're going to click over here into marketing. And then over here, we are going to choose which ad country we want. I'm going to select .com, and then we're going to click into create new campaign. We're going to go for sponsored products just here. And then just here, we can select which book we want. Let's just go for our Christmas bumper puzzle book for here. And then I'm going to go for automatic targeting. Now it's suggesting here a default bid of 37 pence. I am going to bring that down to 15 cents. I'm not going to do any negative at the moment. Actually, I will. I'm going to put in here free. I'm going to do cheap. And I'm going to do printable. Those. So now if anyone types those in, my book is not going to come up, and then I'm not going to pay for the click on those. You can do negative product targeting as well, and here we can add in our custom text. So let's put in here order now to get in time for Christmas. And that's obviously just a quick thing. You can do dynamic bids up and down, so they'll raise them, lower them, depending on what they believe will happen. So I'm just going to leave that all as is. I'm going to call this Auto Christmas. But obviously you can call it whatever you like, and we will go for, there's no point in me delivering this after Christmas. In fact, I will go for the 17th because they need to budget it. So here it gives me a suggested daily budget of $12. I'm going to go for 5. And then in here, I can go through and I can amend my countries as well. Change your bids on schedules. So say, for example, if it is Black Friday, anything like that, we can adjust accordingly. And then you simply hit launch campaign. So there we have it. Our data miner is live and working for us. So I absolutely get it. Diving into Campaign Manager with all its bids, budgets and metrics can feel like learning a new language. And if this still feels like a bit of ad maths, I've got you covered. My Amazon KDP Marketing 101 ebook is on sale this month, and it goes deeper into how to build simple goal-based ad strategies without getting lost in spreadsheets. It's pretty much a cheat sheet for you getting your ads sorted. So if you want to run ads, you actually want to understand, grab it whilst it's discounted. The link is in the description below. And remember, with Amazon ads, you're not just guessing, you're using real data to make smarter moves. So now we're into the waiting game. So how do you read these tea leaves? Once you've launched your campaign, now is for the hardest part. Being patient, you have to fight the urge to check your campaign every 5 minutes and make changes. Amazon Ads data can take around 48 to 72 hours to fully update. So making knee-jerk reactions is a surefire way to mess things up. So with this £5 a day ad strategy, you need to let the campaign run untouched for at least 2 weeks, I would say. Because our budget is so small, it's going to take a little bit longer to gather enough data to clearly see the patterns. Anything less than 2 weeks is just going to look like random noise. After about 2 weeks, it's time to play detective. Head back into your campaign manager, click onto your automatic campaign, and then find the search term on the left-hand side. This page is your absolute treasure chest. It's going to show you the exact phrases that customers are typing in that have triggered your ad and got clicked. You'll see all the list of terms next to the metrics like impressions, clicks, spends, and most importantly, orders. So your job here is really simple. You're looking for the golden nuggets. These are search terms that have actually resulted in sales. So I want you to sort the report in terms of orders by highest to lowest. Any search term that has generated a sale, at least a decent cost, is winning a keyword. What's a decent cost? This brings us to ACoS. It's the advertising cost of sale. This metric shows you what percentage of your product sale price you spent on the ad to get that sale. So for example, if you spent £5 on ads to get a £20 sale, your ACoS is 25%. A good ACoS really depends on your profit margin. But for beginners, anything really under 30 to 35% is a great start. As you scan this report, you're doing 2 things. You're harvesting the winners. Grab a simple spreadsheet and copy and paste every single search term that has generated a sale. Make a note of the clicks, the spends, the orders. These are your proven money-making keywords. As well as the winners, we also need to identify the losers. You'll also find search terms that get a fair number of clicks but 0 sales. These are just burning through your budget. A search term with say 10 to 15 clicks and no sales is a good candidate for a negative keyword. By adding it to your negative keyword list, you tell Amazon to stop showing your ad for that irrelevant term, making your campaign more efficient over time. Do this little analysis once a week. Keep adding it to your list of winners and your list of negatives. After a month or so, you will have built up a powerful data-backed list of search terms that are directly tied to your sales for your product. After running your £5 a day auto campaign for 3 or 4 weeks, you should have a solid list of at least 5 to 10 winning keywords that have brought you in sales. Now it's time to take off the learning wheels and take control. The automatic campaign was for discovery. Now we use that data to build our manual campaign, which is all about profitability and scaling. In a manual campaign, you're telling Amazon exactly what keywords to bid on. This gives you way more control and lets you focus your budget on words that you know work. So now you're going to set up your new sponsored product campaign, but this time we're going to choose manual targeting. When you get to the keyword targeting section, you're going to take that golden list of winning search terms you've harvested from your long campaign and you're going to add them in right there. And here's the most important part. Add them as an exact match. This is the most restrictive but also the most controlled match type. It means your ad will only show when a customer types in that exact phrase. This stops your budget from being wasted on loosely related, lower converting searches. And now you can set a slightly more confident budget for this new manual campaign, maybe starting around £10 a day, because you're no longer guessing. Every penny is going towards keywords that have already proven they can turn browsers into buyers. You can even set individual bids on these keywords based on how well they performed, bidding a little higher on the ones that had a great ACOS. So at this point, you should be keeping your original auto campaign running in the background. It can continue to be a cheap research tool, discovering new potential keywords for you over time. But your new manual campaign, now your main engine for driving profitable sales. Let's just have a quick recap. There was a lot of information just thrown at you there of my 5-a-day strategy. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about discipline. It's a 4-step process for learning the ropes safely. First, you're going to launch a low budget automatic campaign with one goal. Gather the data, not the sales. You set the budget for just £5 a day to remove the fear of overspending. Secondly, you're going to patiently let it run for 2 to 4 weeks to collect the data, fighting the urge to constantly tinker with it. Then third, we're going to become a detective. We're going to analyze the search term report. You're going to harvest the winning keywords that actually make you money and block the losers by making them negative keywords. And finally, you're going to pivot your list of proven golden keywords and launch a new super controlled manual exact match campaign. This is where you're going to start to scale your ad spend with confidence, knowing that your money is being spent wisely. This method takes the guesswork, the fear out of the equation and puts you in control. It lets you build a profitable Amazon advertising machine from the ground up based on real data, not just hope. You can start small, learn the system and grow your sales with confidence. If you have found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Amazon growth strategies. And if you're ready for your next step, check out this video right here on how you can optimize your new manual campaigns and really take your sales off to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next one. See you. Bye.